Hi and welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you how to fix the T5 sliding window. Getting it to open, no matter how you want to phrase it, or really when it comes to replacing it, since the handle tends to break pretty often on these models. We're going to go ahead and fix that right now. Let's get started. We've made it to the window, and here's the problem. When we try to operate it, the window doesn't open because one of the pins here is actually broken. So, to remove this whole thing now, we need to pull it back here at the top and lift it out, because there's one pin right here, and it's attached directly to this part. Pulling from the bottom would break this, and you'd need the cover too. Same thing down here. Pull it out, then peel it down. After that, we now need to carefully get this pin completely pulled out upward. And then afterward, take it all down. Okay, and now we can pull out the tiller. Just this once. And here we can already see where it broke. So, next we're simply going to pull this bracket straight out toward the front. And we can go ahead and pull out the levers. We'll do exactly the same thing down here now. And we can pull them out. Yeah, now we're just going to flip the entire assembly over. So then we'll carefully put it all back in, reinsert these two levers, or clip them back in, place this one on top, and then down here underneath. So then we take the holder for the spring and carefully press the whole thing in here, just like on Sunday. And press the whole thing in here. There. And now we can go ahead and assemble the center. From the new handle, we need to remove the pin. Pop in here. Okay. And push it through here. So we can test whether everything's working. Yeah, and then we just need to put the two covers back on. And that's how we ended up getting everything completely taken care of in the end.